Step 2. Manual marker creation. Create a new project. To begin the design process, click Add New. The filtering options are at the top of the page, according to product description or marker code, printer, product family, product category, and color. Remember that the availability of non-standard colors may be limited. When designing markers, select the profile type, adjust the name of the marker set, choose the marking machine model, and proceed. Additionally, if it's a new project, you will have to specify the project file name. This is the name under which the project will be saved. Enter the desired text manually. One of the ways of supplementing marker content is to manually enter them using your computer keyboard. You can create a new marker using the Add Marker button or by pressing the Enter key while in edit mode. You can find several options in the Marker Editor ribbon that will help you create markers inclusive of symbols, with a different number of lines, orientation, and font settings. New markers are created on a default template. If you want the marker to be different, customize the current marker look and apply it as a default template for the marker set. If you have modified the look of your markers, you can convert them to the current document template by selecting them and applying the default template. Remember that some options in the editor menu may depend on other settings. You can use Undo, Redo buttons to navigate between the changes to your current marker set. Putting sequences into the markers. You can easily enter a sequence into the marker content. It will be inserted in the cursor position before its creation. There are several different types of sequences available. To start designing a sequence, enter your start and end values. Additionally, you can adjust other parameters such as step and padding. Finally, confirm with the Apply button. Advanced sequences. If the specifics of your project include the use of more than one string in the marker content, you can use the option of building advanced sequences. Go into the Sequence Adding menu and select the Advanced button. You will see a dialog box where you can create marker content containing many sequences using the drag and drop function. The content of the line where the cursor was located will be broken down by its position to facilitate sequence adding. Drag the appropriate sequence symbol from the toolbox to a place in the expression editor. Configure parameters for each dropped sequence. See how your designed expression changes in the preview window. Once you have finished editing the marker line, save it by clicking on the button under the editor. To add another marker line, simply start designing and save your work by clicking on the Save button. To create the designed markers, confirm by clicking on the button at the bottom of the dialog box.